Hey, what's up guys? So this is the Glock 42 mag. I'm going to show you guys how to take it apart and give it a quick clean. So for this mag we will use this tool right here. This is the Glock tool. So you have the little pin right here. You push it in and you bring it back. And that'll take that out. So now when you're taking this cover off, just be careful because the spring will fly out. So you see your mag, just make sure you look at it. So when you put it back together, you put it back the same way. So you take this cover off. Usually I line it up the way it comes out. Take it off slowly. And this is the cover. So the way you clean it, you use water, warm water. Don't use any oils, as I see everywhere people are saying. So I have not used oil. Just get a little warm water. Spray it. Wipe it down. I look in the, see if it's dirty. Not too bad. Spray. Make sure you get something in there to dry it up. Not too bad. You know, if you have a toothbrush or something. Okay. Dry the outside. Clean the top part. Pretty clean. About. Now putting it back together. You can see you're gonna put it back the same way. Okay. So now this part is a little tricky. Bring it down. You have the little cover. Put a little cover on top just like that. Hold it in. Grab your cover. Slide it in. And there you go. Make sure. Very good. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, perfect. So that is a clean mag. This is how you clean the Glock 42 mag and you take it apart. 6 shots. Awesome.